Take a huge step towards securing the crown, and I think all these fans here, the Barcelona fans, they are convinced that is what is about to unfold here. Whether it does or whether Real Madrid will have the last laugh on the day, well, we're about to find out.
Yeah, it's a real party atmosphere in the stadium. Normally it's an incredibly hostile game, vociferous atmosphere.
In the summer. Fifth Clasico put in charge here. He does, don't they? Real Madrid. Taken from long range by Rafinha. Players know it. Lucas Vázquez. Oh, and this nearly drops it for Mbappe. Oh, that'll be a penalty kick. It has to be. Chesney takes him out. And it's the simplest decision the referee will make all season.
I've no idea what Chesney was doing.
Well, he got something on it, but Real Madrid lead. Mbappe scores. Chesney went the right way, but couldn't keep it out. And Real Madrid strike early.
Yeah, finished with a plum by Kylian Mbappe. Chasing Robert Lewandowski down for the Pichichi. And he's on the score sheet to give Real Madrid a wonderful start.
Valverde to spread the play out wide. Got away from Vinicius. Nobody really, rather than pass it, don't they? And it is a manicured, is an opportunity for Barcelona, but good covering by Asensio.
Yeah, he did really well.
Did it out wide. Martin with the ball in. Oh no, looked like he was in an offside position. Yeah, but in the end, not three.
Yeah, Eric Garcia's up the field, Ian.
Yamal stayed down. Mbappe's in again here. 2-0. Kylian Mbappe is running riot here. And Montjuic and Real Madrid are stunning Barcelona.
Yeah, Barcelona want a foul on Lamine Yamal. But I don't think it's forthcoming. I think it was Fede Valverde. I don't think it was Jude Bellingham. Eric Garcia's right up the...
Rafinha Torres was waiting to get a header away. Lamine Yamal with a dipping effort, and it needed saving by Courtois. That was an absolute tracer bullet. And now they get back. Eric Garcia again. He struck in midweek, and he's got Barcelona back in this game. The right back, who's only in the team because Koundé's injured.
Yeah, simple as you like, set piece.
Goes for the cross, it comes back out to him, the chance for Ferran to turn it.
He's so good and dangerous and lethal with that left foot, cutting in from that sort of angle.
But it's a no-brainer for me. Another foul.
Asensio.
Nice battle.
Torres. It's Rafinha to drift one towards Martinez. They never did quite get to. And Valverde left something on him there and gets a yellow card for it. Yeah. It's a high boot by the look of it, that by De Jong. Pedri, Torres, Yamal, and there's the equaliser. The Wonder Boy does it again. There is no end to his talent.
Yeah, it's been coming in.
Pedri has won the ball again, and they're in here. Rafinha, 3-2! Barcelona, what a comeback! What a half! What a Clasico! It is all quite astonishing.
Yeah, and the biggest assist there goes to Real.
Today. Torres getting in behind Tchouaméni. Well, did he take him out? And was that a red card offence?
No.
Did he stop a goal-scoring opportunity? No, it's only yellow.
Yeah.
The free kick. Martinez nearly got his head to it. And then it's lashed. Lamine Yamal. Barcelona are greedy. They want more on the outside of the boot. Oh, and that's a big miss.
How he didn't score, I'll never know. He wants a penalty. He's not getting it, but how he didn't score. Lamine Yamal outside of the left foot pass yet again. Pick this one out.
They've overrun it, have they? 3-3. Mbappe, is he fouled? Yeah, it's another penalty.
It's whether Bellingham was offside, Ian.
This crazy bonkers game goes on.
Oh my word. Today.
I mean, to crack an old gag, it does. He's missed it. Torres in behind him. Tchouaméni recovered. I hope you're enjoying this morning entertainment as Lucas Vazquez makes another mistake there. Les Rafinha in behind him. And Rafinha will make it 4-2. Rayo hit the self-destruct button again. And it is raining goals in the Spanish sunshine.
I'm sorry, Ian, but it's ridiculous, isn't it? It's ridiculous bordering on embarrassment.
But could there be more yet? Not this time.
Flip that through to Kylian Mbappe. Mbappe finishes past Chesney. The flag goes up. Well, join myself, Chappie, Paul and Carlos for
Evening of possibly a lot of their lives, so they...
Problem for Eric Garcia, but he's fouled. He's on a hat-trick. Trying to pick up once again. Yamal is on that left foot again. Courtois is diving a little. Hat-trick here. He's got Lamine Yamal in the middle. Who scores? Of course he does. 5-2. They're running away with it. Will they? Bellingham. Bit outnumbered.
Inigo Martinez feet high right into the midriff of Bellingham. Just takes it and walks away.
There's nobody up there with him. Mbappe tries to go alone and nearly did. Wasn't the worst effort that.
Yeah, again, nice run, nice ball. The only problem is Vinny Jr. gives him the ball, but lovely run and pass.
Goal. And towards Rafinha, those two seem to have a real chemistry about. It's a 2-on-1 if he get it right. And it's a wonderful piece of work by Christensen to even when they were 2-0 down. Torres. Good. Courtois, good grab. But they've spoilt his 33rd birthday, haven't they, here, Barcelona? Want a clean sheet if you're a goalkeeper. Torres, who could... Few days. A lot of his career with Athletic Club and Real Sociedad in behind again here. Vinicius with Mbappe. Goal.
Mbappe, that's onside, it was fine.
Kylian Mbappe hat-trick in the Clásico. And Real Madrid back in business. This is not quite the formality it was starting to look for Barcelona.
Look at the defensive line of Barcelona. Look, they've lost the ball. Look at them. Look how high they are. And nobody's picking up Vinicius Junior on.
Today, Fermin Lopez, typical work from him. Oh! And he just faked it all off. That wraps it up. This amazing game, this thriller, capped by Lopez. 5-3, Barcelona, surely on their way to being champions of La Liga.
Oh, yes. Fermin Lopez, surrounded by fans, cameramen, teammates. All of the Barcelona staff were after all those celebrations.